Welcome to another edition of What's in My Drawers Wednesday, where I give you an unedited look at what's inside my drawers as I try to downsize our house. Today we're going to look at the buffet that's in the dining room, in the living room, or whatever this is, that we've been using as a coffee table, or coffee buffet, coffee bar, for the past, I don't know, however long we've had it. So we'll go through all these drawers and we're going to get ready to sell the whole set soon. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, oops, I forgot to flip the camera, so here we go. Oh boy, this is gonna have some explaining to do. All right, here is espresso. This we're keeping because we're still using that machine. So boy, this makes us look like a bunch of alcoholics in here, and tea fiends. So these little guys are gifts from Doug's company last year when he made President's Club. They sent us to the Ritz-Carlton in Cozumel, and these were some of the little gifts they gave him. So that's cool, but we're not shooters. So those will probably be going somewhere else. We'll probably donate them. These are within the same gift. I don't know what kind of glasses these are. I don't think they're shot glasses. Those are awfully big. Play. Oh no, these are from La Concha. Oh, that's right. I remember that now. It was another gift he was given he stays at this hotel in Puerto Rico. So they were offering something. Oh, and here are the other matching ones. For the other gift. This, a mason jar or something? Orange juice? No, Contrayu. I'm not sure what that makes. Probably something yummy. Now we get to our coffees. No teas, we got some rock sugar. That's been in there forever, so trash. Trash. All this coffee is old. I don't know how long it's even been in here. Well, at least the 2 years that we've been here. Ooh, Black Rifle Coffee Company. This is still sealed. I'll probably keep that. It's already ground. So, we're using that for something. Keeping that one. That'll probably go in the RV with us. Or if we don't drink it beforehand. Oh, these people, we love them. They're our friends from Chicago. They have their own responsible sourced roasting, I think is what it is. They're getting in contact with the people who actually grow the beans and make sure it's all being done nice to the farmers and everything. So check them out. I know they're online, Facebook, all the things. But yeah, like their name says, it's fresh. Oh, so to say with this one, keeping that one, I'll actually probably grind that up tomorrow. More tea. I'm gonna keep this out for Amber. Yeah, a lot of this stuff I'm just gonna pull out so we will actually use it. Garbage. This stuff I heard works great. It's when you don't finish a bottle of wine, you can just spray this in there, and it's supposed to make it act like it's brand new. So yeah, it sounds like it's empty, but it'll even tell that on there. So I think I'm keeping it. Actually, I'm gonna throw it out because I bought it a long time ago when we first moved here, and haven't used it, so it's going in the garbage. I want to keep everything. Starbucks extra sugars and stuff, I think. I used to keep when we have people over. Yeah, garbage. Garbage. So these are staying. These are my grandparents' mate bowls from Argentina. So these will definitely get packed. And that's my grandma or my grandpa's straw for mate. So these are definite keepers. And my daughter, Alexis, is starting to drink it, so maybe she'd like that straw. So those are staying or being packed. These are some extra mate bowls I bought so I wouldn't ruin the good ones my grandparents gave me. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these because I don't drink mate like I wanted to. So maybe sell these? I'll let you know in the comment, or I'll let you know at the end what I ended up doing with those. The tea thing from Tivana. Oh, that's what that little bottom piece was. I'm gonna see if Amber wants that for school. Otherwise, I'll probably go to Goodwill. All this stuff is when we have people over. Again, like I said, we had this coffee bar on top of here. Lots of teas, throat care, smooth move, sleepy time, chamomile, Splenda, oops, and more sugars. I hate getting rid of all the sugars, but since I'm getting rid of the coffee bar, I kind of don't have any need for all the extra sugars because we drink ours black, so we don't need any of that stuff in there. Oh, and this one just fell. The teas, I'm gonna keep the teas because those will go in the tray in the RV with us. And then this, I used to use as a bread basket, put a little towel in there. But since it's been in here for a couple years and I haven't used it because I forgot I had it, I will give it to Goodwill. So there you go. That's what's in this drawer.